There are other people who say, Nauz Billah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, you are suffering from mythomania. This is a psychological disorder that a person mentions a lie and he believes it is the truth. Mythomaniac is a person who tells a lie and he believes that it is a fact. And a psychologist, he treats the person by giving him more facts. Suppose the person says that I am a king. The psychiatrist will not say that you are crazy. The psychiatrist will say, you are a king? Where is the queen? So the mythomaniac will say, the queen has gone to her mother's place. Where is the minister? The minister has died. Where are your guards? The more you keep on posing facts, then he says, I think I'm not the king. And if you analyze the Quran mentions about facts, keeps on giving facts and figures, facts, mentioning about historical things. So the Quran is a treatment for mythomaniac. It's not a book written by a mythomaniac. Nauz Billah.